Let us move on to the concept of codominance. What is codominance? Very interesting thing it is, because we have seen what is dominance, we have seen what is incomplete dominance, and now the concept of codominance. To understand what is codominance, first we should have minimum knowledge about our blood group. Blood group in human being are of 4 types. Which are the 4 types of blood group? A, B, AB and O. A, B, AB and O. Now, the genes controlling that, we call it as alleles. Alleles are the alternate form of a gene. For example, tall, capital T, small t, they are the alleles. Okay. Now the alleles controlling this. Now blood group, same like how I mentioned you about tall. Tall can be homozygous or heterozygous. Like this, see. Tall. Homozygous tall means capital T, capital T. Heterozygous tall means capital T, small t. So both the options are available. Similarly, in case of blood group, homozygous means the allele IA. Okay. And heterozygous IA small I. Here IA is dominant over small I. So IA, when it is present, it exhibits its character, that is A blood group. Similarly, for blood group B, IB, both dominant. Whereas in heterozygous, IB smaller. So here gene IB or factor IB is dominant. So when it is present, it will not allow the small I to express its character. And the blood group becomes B. Blood group becomes B. So what is the role of this small I? When small I come together, when both recessives, same like when small t come together, plant becomes short or dwarf. Similarly, when small I come together, both recessive, blood group becomes O. Now, in this case, IA is dominant. In this case, IB is dominant. Suppose both dominant come together. Okay, imagine both dominant come together. Then what should be the blood group? If in this case this was the dominant, so blood group became A. Here this was dominant, so blood group became B. But when both of them are dominant, then the blood group becomes AB. Both of them codominance. This is so AB blood group in human being is an example for codominance. Now, 1 or 2 example we'll see how to know the blood group of the offspring or the children when you know the blood group of the parent. Let us see. Suppose father is, say, blood group A, heterozygous, and mother blood group B, heterozygous. Okay. Now let us see what will be the blood group of their children. Now here gametes can be of this nature, and here the gametes can be of this nature. So when we go for checkerboard, okay, just see here, IB. This is IB small I. This is IA small I. This is small I. So So let us see what type of blood group their children can have. This is blood group AB, means children can be of blood group AB. This is blood group B, children can be of blood group B. Children can be of blood group A, and children can be of blood group O. So if you know the blood group of father and mother, you can tell the blood group of their children. One more example we'll take. Imagine father with blood group A and mother with blood group O. Means I should take like this. O, only one option. Let us see. IA small I, small I, small I, IA small I, small I, small. So now only two possibilities. This is A and this is O. See. So children can have a blood group A or O. Like this, okay, the allele which is present in them will decide the blood group of their children.